Vehicle theft investigations often grapple with the daunting task of initiating a search without a specific starting point. This absence of a pinpointed location can stifle the investigative process and impede the generation of effective leads. To enhance the prospect of recovery, it's crucial to employ a dependable system that aids in depicting potential areas of investigation. The advent of groundbreaking technologies, coupled with strategic collaboration with law enforcement agencies and active community involvement, can pave the way for a more streamlined and targeted approach to locating stolen vehicles. This not only accelerates the recovery process but also fosters a safer and more secure environment for vehicle owners. Imagine a compact device, a silent sentinel installed within your vehicle. As soon as your vehicle is ignited, this device springs into action, transmitting real time geospatial coordinates directly to your designated email. This isn't just a tracking system, it's a revolution in vehicle safety. It provides immediate, precise location data accessible anytime, anywhere through secure cloud storage. This data is more than just information, it's a roadmap to efficient vehicle recovery, transforming a potentially lengthy search into a swift, targeted retrieval operation. Secure, accessible, and efficient, this device represents the future of vehicle safety, blending advanced technology with peace of mind. So just for the demo, instead of a vehicle, I am plugging the device in my computer. But in the future, we aspire to install this device in the vehicles. So as you can see, I have plugged in the device and the device has started to write a PowerShell script which would run a PS1 script which would help sending the mail to the designated email. Let me show you the email.